I will show you how to detect which plugin is slowing down your WordPress website. So we have some plugin here named which plugin is slowing down. How to test this? Simply run the quick test. Clicking on this button, plugin will start testing one by one plugin. We'll disable it and then measure time, queries and peak memory usage. We can see here, for example, results with all activated plugins. Then we have results with all deactivated plugins. We see this difference. Then we have this orange. This means this plugin is a bit slower and a bit slowing down. You see the difference is like around 60 milliseconds. So if you disable this plugin, you will get a bit better results than with it. Of course, that's nothing dramatically. Elementor is still a great plugin, and that's just for testing purposes. And here we see even slower plugin. That's WooCommerce. So this plugin generates nice report here where we can see which plugin we can deactivate first to get better results. That's only for testing purposes. These times are all great and you can still use these plugins. But that can be very helpful for testing. And you can try to disable one, depends on how much you're using it. Sometimes maybe you have WooCommerce installed and don't use it. Of course, then deactivate and you will have much better results. Thanks for watching and have a great day.